Todd. Did you tell her about Todd?
Yeah.
No, please tell me you didn't tell her about Todd.
I did.
Oh my God. Random TV, there's nothing to worry about. Todd doesn't even know where we live. It's fine. Don't let Sylvester scare you like that. He likes to terrify kitties. See? There's nothing to worry about down here. I pinky swear. Nothing. Wait, we don't have to...
Yeah.
Kitty, you don't even have any pinkies. I was just kidding. Hey, don't get your head stuck, Kitty. Oh, you're fine. Sorry, Random. Sylvester, apologize.
No.
Sylvester, say something. We're not done, Kitty. I swear to God, you're gonna apologize one way or another. Coming. He found us. Just relax. It's okay, kitties. Just be quiet. He'll go away. Just have to stay quiet long enough, and eventually he'll think nobody's home. Okay? Just stop making noise. Everything's fine. Would you guys quit making that freaking noise? Okay, they look like a couple of freaking crackheads. Calm down, okay? Just don't make any noise. Shelby, no. I should have gone to the freaking store. What's the matter, kitty? I don't want to go through this again. Sylvester, do you realize Todd was out there banging on the door for over a half an hour?
Yeah.
And now Random Kitty is completely paranoid.
Yeah.
So I guess I'll go to the store.
Good.
Gosh,
Good.
Random Kitty, are you okay?
Uh,
I'm so sorry, Kitty.